Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Ghanaian channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make authentic Ghanaian Christmas chicken stew. This turned out so delicious, it's yummicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. So these are my chicken that I'll be using, and then I roast it a little bit on the fire. To the blender I added in ginger, garlic, onion, cloves, habanero pepper, fennel seeds and water. I'll blend this until smooth and then add it to the chicken. I'll then go ahead and add in vegetable seasoning, chicken seasoning and salt. The last thing I'll add to it is dried rosemary. I'll stir this till well combined and then let it cook for at least 10 minutes. By then you can taste if the salt is okay before covering it, and then let it cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes. You know, this is the soft chicken, so you do not want to overcook it. At the end we're going to fry it as well. So once it's ready, I took it out from the fire and then preheated my oil. I'll add in onion and fresh rosemary as well. I'll fry these bad boys until they are well fried. So guys, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for this color. When you get to this point, that means the chicken is ready, it's already cooked, no need for you to over fry it. So once it was frying, I went ahead and baked my veggies. So to the veggies, for the veggies I'm using red bell pepper, green pepper, red onion, white onion, tomato. I'll sprinkle a little bit of fennel seeds on top, not forgetting my ginger and garlic. I'll bake all of this, and then the last thing that I'll add to it was fresh rosemary as well, and then I'll sprinkle on top a little bit of olive oil. I'll bake these bad boys in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for at least 15 minutes. Back to the chicken. By then the chicken was also ready, so I removed it from the fire, like from the oil, and then start with the stew. So just look at this chicken, it was amazing. I couldn't stop eating it. Once the veggies was baked, I removed it and then transfer it into my blender and then blend those bad boys. So I added the chicken seasoning, the chicken stock. I added it to it before, then it served as the liquid, so I didn't add in any water. After the chicken was fried, I went ahead with the stew. So I added tomato paste to my oil, and then let it steam for at least 2 to 3 minutes before adding in the blended veggies. And basically that's it. Everything is pre-cooked, so you do not need to stress yourself to overcook it. The green thing that I added was bay leaf. I'll cover it and let it cook for at least 15 minutes, and then I'll give it a quick stir and add in my spices. So this is it. After, I'll add in the chicken and I'm good to go. It's simple, easy, no, it's stress free. You don't have to stress yourself for anything. So I added in dry shrimp powder, ginger curry and sankofa stew seasoning. I'll add in my fish and then let it, I'll add in the chicken and let it cook for some minutes more. And guys, this is ready. It was so delicious. My house was smelly. You could feel the Christmas in the air. Guys, it's so delicious, it's amazing. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section or in the description box below. So when you get to this point, which is totally optional, you can add in your fresh onion, your chopped onion, rosemary, green bell pepper and red bell pepper. So the last thing that I added was to grate some nutmeg, and this uplifted the smell, the aroma, not the smell, sorry, the aroma. The aroma, it turned out so delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. You can serve this with rice, with cooked yam, cooked potatoes, anything of your choice at all. And look at this. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.